Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and happy Monday to everybody out there. I am moving pretty slow this morning. It's already 11 a.m. and I haven't even gone through emails yet, so that's definitely next up on the agenda. I have been up and out of bed, but mostly because I spilled water all over my laptop yesterday and I was anxious to get up and see if it was working, which it is. So knock on wood that it continues that way, but it's been working for 2 hours now. So I think we might be okay. But it was very stressful there. A little bit yesterday, the screen was flickering and there were these lines that were appearing. I was like, oh no, it is over. It's over for me, but it's been working again, so fingers crossed that it all dried up and everything will be okay. Stressful times there. But Connor and I were actually away all this past weekend. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but you should if you don't. Shameless self-plug. Because that is where I posted a ton of stuff from the trip. I didn't vlog or anything because I just wanted to enjoy my weekend. But it was an amazing time. We went on a wine tasting trip with some of Connor's friends, and I cannot tell you how incredible this was. Oh my god, I had never been to the Valle and it was so good. Oh my gosh, the views there were so beautiful. The company was amazing. We just had the most incredible time. It really was so much fun. So I'm coming off a real high there, but we didn't get home until around 10:30, 10:45 last night. So it was definitely a rude awakening this morning, having to get up and go to work. We needed one more day of weekend here at home to relax and regroup, but that's okay because obviously it was an amazing trip. It felt good to get a little bit of a travel itch scratched there in a very short amount of time, very safe way. It was really good. And now Molly Cat is seriously obsessed with me, following me around everywhere, sitting on my lap constantly, has been all over me since I got home, which I am loving. I'm loving it so much, but she is being very aggressive with the snuggles. So I don't know exactly what's on the docket for the day here. Have not even looked at my to-do list yet, but I'm guessing it's not gonna be my most productive day. So really the goal is just get through the day and relax. I'm not gonna work out today. I'm gonna work out every other day this week, hopefully. We'll see how that goes, but I really just want to take a quick moment to fully relax, rejuvenate, get unpacked, get resettled in at home today. Obviously get work done, as much work as I can, we'll see. But what I am gonna do all day is have Handmaid's Tale playing because I want to rewatch the 3rd season before the 4th season comes out on Wednesday. So I have 2 days, which is totally fine. That'll be pretty easy, I think, to get through those episodes because I'll just have them in the background. I've seen them all before, so it really is just a refresher. But oh my god, I'm so excited for Handmaid's Tale to come back. Do you guys watch this show? I'm losing my mind. I'm so excited over it. And then the other thing I'm doing today is I'm filming my first little solo hair video. I talked about this a little bit last week and you guys have already seen it by the time this video is going up. But I'm thinking maybe every Friday doing a hair related video, very specific to my hair, trying a new technique or something like that. And maybe not every Friday. That was so cute, Molly. Maybe not every Friday, but just whenever I do want to try something new, doing a whole dedicated video about it would be sort of fun and take some of the pressure off of me with as much vlogging as I have to do, because it is a lot. It's a lot to get 3 vlogs a week up. It's a lot of content to come up with. So I thought that it would be a good idea to maybe sprinkle some of that in. Oh my gosh, you guys, my to-do list is so short for today. I'm so excited. I definitely am gonna have some longer ones throughout the week to compensate for this short little to-do list, but that is good. I think I'll be able to finish up pretty early today, which is much needed. It's 1 p.m. and it is lunchtime now. Actually really craving some more of the veggie gyoza from Trader Joe's. I should have gotten more bags of this. That's okay. I'll probably stop by Trader Joe's again when I go back for my 2nd vaccine shot, so I think it'll be okay. I literally just steam these guys in my always pan. They're so good. Easy to cook that way. Handmaid's Tale is like blowing my mind all over again, you guys. I'm dying over it. It's been so long since I watched it, so I remember a lot of it, but it also is sort of new to me. It is so good though, like what an incredible show. It's so powerful, it's so interesting, it's important, tells a great story, amazing actors, fantastic writing. Just overall, don't have enough good things that I could say about it. It's so good. I wonder if I could throw something else in here. Oh, maybe some zucchini? Oh, fuck me. Literally, you can't cook anything anymore without our alarms going off. It's so crazy because that was not an issue before. And it is an issue now, and it's very, like there's no smoke or anything happening here right now. Okay. Some sriracha on the veggies. That'll be good. Molly cat just climbing up the wall over here. And the gyoza sauce. This is gonna be so yummy. I'm excited. Okay, bon appetit. The finished product. Looks so good. Oh, you know what I'm missing? Some sesame seeds. Here we go. That'll be yummy on there. And back into some more Handmaid's Tale. Just like that, it's the end of the work day. We did it. I'm tired.
It was easy after that weekend.
I know, it really was not, but
we made it. We
made it. It's 5:15 and I'm gonna go hop in the shower now. Okay, we're out of the shower now, just letting my hair dry. And I think Connor and I are going to work on some dinner now. Poke bowls, that sounds so good. Okay, we have everything chopped up, ready to go. We have some rice made here. We're having brown rice steaks. We're all out of white rice. They were out the last time we went grocery shopping, so making do with what we got. And the salmon is in the onion. The salmon is in the onion. The salmon is in the oven. How good is this salmon looking, you guys? Connor killed it yet again on the fish. He is the pro at cooking fish. So much better than I am. How good does this look, you guys? Gonna get some sesame seeds on top of there.
Well done.
Little final touch. Oh my.
Looking fine.
Looking fine. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day and we are here. It's about 11:45-ish. I'm finally just getting to drinking my chai. I made it like an hour and a half ago, and of course just got distracted by work and emails and messages and all sorts of shit coming into my life this morning. So it was also a bit of a slower start to the morning, I'll admit. I didn't get out of bed until about 9:15, which is sort of late for me to be getting out of bed. Didn't like really properly get my day going until closer to 10, so but that's okay. Just one of those days we're granting ourselves all the grace that we need. I actually woke up in a sort of like, not a bad mood, but not a great mood today, because I think just because I'm PMSing, and then I started looking at my DMs and like had some, honestly it was nothing even that bad in my DMs. I just was already like sort of in a bad mood, so things just got to me a little bit. And it really just got me thinking about like I mean, I think about this all the time, to be honest, but just the insane and ridiculous standards that influencers are held to. It's literally impossible for us to win because there's this wide range of people who follow us and follow our page, and everyone has differing opinions and differing life experiences. I was actually just talking about this. I made like a little group chat on Instagram with some people who follow me last week, and I can't even remember why we got into this yesterday, but someone was talking about, you know, keeping in mind that everyone's realities are not the same. Like, even though of course we're all living in the same world, like everyone lives different realities based on their life experiences and has different truths based on their life experiences. And that's really hard to balance as an influencer, because you're just trying, at least let me speak for myself, I'm just trying to share my authentic life, who I am, what I do, what I believe in. I mean, you guys know, you follow me. And it's really hard to manage what everyone wants from you, because everyone wants different things. You know, for example, I went on that trip last week that I sort of recapped for you guys in the beginning of this vlog, and I got a couple DMs, obviously, of people asking, did you vlog it? Which I didn't, you know, and then I got people replying to that and being like, why didn't you never vlog when you're out anymore, you know, stuff like that. You know, first of all, I just wanted to take a trip with my boyfriend and some friends and relax and not have to worry about this the whole time, you know, like it's really hard when you're creating content on vacation. It's not really a vacation at that point. But even more than that, you know, it's impossible to please everyone. Like when I show myself out in the world, I'm getting messages saying like, this is irresponsible because the pandemic is still happening. But when I stay home and only show myself at home, then I get messages, people being like, your home vlogs are boring. Why don't you ever show yourself when you go out? And it's impossible to win. It's just absolutely impossible, which is why I try not to even bother with even thinking about what will happen. But of course, like it does cross my mind because I have to see this shit, you know, like I want to be able to look at my DMs and respond to people as much as I want, which means that I have to go through like the shitty things that people say as well. Ugh. Of course, the upstairs neighbor is vacuuming right now. Okay, I'm gonna check back in with you guys and finish this thought when this ends. Okay, I think we're safe now. Anyway, what I was saying, I've gotten really, really good the past year about just blocking people and not responding to them, which is something really, really hard, you know, to do, because sometimes you just feel like, well, I just feel like I need to defend myself here. Like these people are saying untrue things about me. I feel very, 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 very lucky to have the audience that I do. I feel like I've cultivated an audience with like a lot of like kindness and compassion and understanding and empathy. I've said this many times before, how grateful I am that you guys never really, for the most part, assume the worst of me, and certainly not the people who tune into my videos all the time. You know, you guys are always giving me the benefit of the doubt, even if I'm doing something wrong, which I appreciate. I mean, more than I could ever tell you, seriously. But it is still hard, and you know, you could get a million nice comments and one mean one, and guess what? I remember the mean one. You know, like I remember mean comments that I got from like 6 years ago that, you know, picked on a specific insecurity of mine, and probably longer than 6 years ago. I feel like I got that comment when I was probably 17 years old. There's one comment in particular that always sticks out in my mind. I won't even say what it is, but you know, it always sticks out to me, and that was 10 years ago, a decade ago, and I still remember that comment. So I guess here's your daily reminder to be kinder than you think you need to be, because your words really, really do matter. And you know, nobody's perfect. Like I obviously have said, you know, mean things about people before, but gosh, I've never commented on their photo. I've never commented on someone's appearance or their life choices, you know, on their photo for everyone to see. You know, it just, I don't understand that, to be honest. It's not something that I think makes much sense. Molly Cat, you want to get out? Okay. You want to go? Okay, there you go. She's off to spend some quality time with Coco. So anyway, there you go. That is my rant for right now. I want to work a little bit more before I dive into lunch today, so, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go work a bit more before lunch and probably check in around like 1 or 2 o'clock. (1:44) and it is lunchtime. End of the day arrived. It's actually 7 p.m. now. Connor and I both work late today, and Connor's making us work out, which I'm pretty upset about. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know if that's a fair description.
I'm gonna do another workout from that girl who I said I liked last time, although now I have no idea what her name was. So.
All right, baby.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Workout time, but you know, I don't think that I'm gonna be filming the workout today. You know, I just don't like filming my cardio. It's too sad and pathetic, so I think this is where I leave you, but wish me luck. Oh my God, we did it. Wow. Yeah, that is sweaty. Got a nice 20-ish minute workout in, and I want to get in the shower before Connor gets back. That way he can shower as well, but then I don't have to wait for him. Can't believe it's already 7:30. This is what I hate about working out on busy work days, because it's so late by the time you actually get to sit down and relax. I love my relaxed time. Also, don't mind this ridiculous hairstyle. All right, got dinner going and curry's on the menu. I'm so excited. I saw Tara make curry on her vlog. I can't even remember when, but I was like, ooh, that looks very good. So cooking up here, we have tofu, bell pepper, zucchini, carrot, and broccoli. In here, I'm using this curry sauce from Trader Joe's, which is my favorite. I'm gonna get some more in there now. I'm just gonna get it with some brown rice. It's gonna be delish. All right, here is tonight's finer. Here is tonight's
finer thing.
tonight's final result. This delicious veggie curry. So easy to make, a little sesame seed garnish on top. It's gonna be so good. Thank you, Tara, for inspiring this meal because it's going to be very good. And honestly, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because we're not doing anything else for the rest of the night, and I have a feeling this vlog is already very long. I have been chit-chatty in this vlog, so.
Turn the music down.
No, it's fine. Thank you guys for watching today, though. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, Molly.